Hello, good morning everyone. In previous video we have discussed multi-stage graph in which approach? Forward approach. I hope you have understood that video. If you are not understanding, please pause the video and watch the video carefully and write down all the steps. You will understand perfectly. Okay, today we will start the session with backward approach. In backward approach, you have to mark the stages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in some examples, some people they are using phi instead of writing k. They are using phi, but I return k. There is no confuse. Okay, to discuss with this approach, one point we have to remember, that is in which direction we have to start the okay, see here, we have to always start in backward approach, that is from source to destination mode. In this direction we have to start. This is our source and this one is our destination. Okay, to start from source to destination, so which stage we have to calculate first? Either K5 or K1. So you should start with this stage K1, means first stage. Okay, and which formula we have to use to calculate minimum cost of the path? C of ij, you know very well what do you mean by C of ij. Okay, I is a stage number, j is a vertex name, minimum C of j comma l plus b cost I minus 1. Observe this. In previous stage, here we have used only cost, and instead of I minus 1 we have used I plus 1. This is the only difference. Okay, and another point is L. What do you mean by L here? L is in degree of vertex. J is a vertex name, but we have to consider in degree of corresponding vertex. And in forward approach we are using I plus 1, but here I minus 1. What is the meaning of this b? B is nothing but backward approach. That's why we are using B. So B stands for backward, cost I minus 1 comma L. Okay, so start one by one. First consider this stage 1. Consider this graph. This is a stage number 1, vertex number 1. So C of 1 comma 1. 1 is what here? Stage number. So stage number is 1 and vertex name is what? 1. So cost of 1 to first stage, first vertex is 0. Okay, in stage 2. In stage 2, how many vertices are there? First understand this. How many vertices? 2 vertices are there. Vertex 2 and vertex 3 at stage 2. So write down here cost second stage and second vertex. apply the formula. Minimum C j comma L. So j represents what here? 2. L represents in degree. L represents what? In degree of vertex which? J. J J vertex name is what? 2. So 2 is here. In degree is what? How many in degrees? Only 1 in degree. From which vertex? From one vertex. So you have to write this vertex here 1. Okay. Now B, backward cast I minus 1. What is the I value here? 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. L value is 1. How to write this cast? 1 to 2. What is the cast of from vertex 1 to 2? 1 to 2 cast is 5. So you have to write 5. And backward cast of 1 comma 1 we have already calculated in previous slide. So what is the value? 0. So this 0 you have to write here. So 5 plus 0 how much? 5. Cast of second stage, second vertex cast is 5. Similarly, we have to calculate this 3. Now directly you can calculate cast of vertex 3 in stage 2 is how much? 2. Okay. Directly I have written, don't confuse. And one more thing, in second stage there are 2 vertices, 2 and 3. So one vertex cast is 5, another one is 2. Okay. Among these two values we have to choose minimum value. Why we have to choose? To write the path. Finally we have to write the path na? That's why we have to mark. That's it. 2 comma 3. Second stage, third vertex has the cast 2. So it is minimum cast. Okay. Now stage 3. How many stages are there? Total 5 stages. So now we are calculating third stage. How many vertices? 3 vertices. 4, 5 and 6. Individually we have to calculate these vertices. So first we will start from vertex 4. Okay, apply the formula. I will apply C up third stage vertex number 4, 3 comma 4. Minimum C up, what should I write here? Okay, vertex name is 4, then L we have to write na. So in degree of vertex, how many in degrees? Only 1 in degree. From which vertex? 2. So I have to write here 4 comma 2. Then next B of cast means backward cast I minus 1. What is the I value? 3. 3 minus 1 how much? That is 2. We have to write. Okay. I minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Now L value you know, that is 2. Here you have written already. And now what is the cast of vertex 2 to 4? What is the cast of vertex 2 to 4? 2 to 4. How much? 3. 3 you have to write. Plus B cast I minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2, then comma 2. Okay. Now 2 comma 2. How to write this 2 comma 2? In previous slide we have calculated 2 comma 2, that is 5. So you have to write here 5. 3 plus 5 how much? 8 is the answer. Okay, 8 is the answer. Now we will calculate fifth one, fifth vertex. How to write? Third stage, fifth vertex. Then apply the formula j comma l plus b cast I minus 1 l. So what is the j value is here? J value is 5. J value is 5 and L value is what? L is in degree. In degree of vertex 5. How many? Only 1 in degree. From which vertex? From 3 vertex. So you have to write here 3. Vertex name is 5. Then backward cast. I value is how much? 3. 3 minus 1. So 2. Okay. Now L value 3. So cast up 5 comma 3, B cast 2 comma 3. 3 to 5. What is the cast? See in graph. 3 to 5. What is the value? 5. So you have to write 5. Then B cast up 2 comma 3. Previous slide we have calculated, that is answer is 2. So you have to write 2. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. So 7 is the answer. Now last vertex 6. So third stage 6. 3 comma 6. Okay, minimum cast up. What is the J value? J value is what? 6 and L value is what? In degree. In degree of 6 is how many in degrees? Only 1 in degree, that is from 3. So you have to write 3 here. 6 comma 3. Then backward cast I minus 1. What is the I value? 3 minus 1 how much? 2. L value is 3. So 2 comma 3. Here you have to identify the cast. What is the cast from vertex 3 to 6? 3 to 6. What is the cast? 8. So write down 8 here. Plus previous we have calculated B cast 2 comma 3. What is the answer? 2. 8 plus 2 how much? 10. So cast of third stage 6 vertex, answer is 10. Okay. Now in third stage we have calculated 3 values. I mean fourth vertex, fifth vertex and sixth vertex. So we got the sum values 8, 7 and 10. Our job is what? To find the minimum cost of the path. So which one is minimum here among these values? 8, 7, 10. So 7 is minimum. So mark this vertex. See, at third stage fifth vertex has the minimum value 7. Okay. Now next stage is what? Fourth stage. Fourth stage, how many vertices? 2 vertices. One is 7, another one is 8. Okay, 7 and 8. So now calculate 4 comma 7. Substitute these values. J value is 7 and L value is 4. 7 in degree is how much? Only 1. From which vertex? 4. So 4 you have to write here. Okay. And next backward cast 3 comma 4. Stage. Okay. Stage is 4 minus 1. How much? 3. and L value is 4, so you have to write 4. And now cast. Write down this cast from vertex 4 to 7. What is the value? 4 to 7. What is the value? 1. So this one you have to write here. Then backward cast 3 comma 4. Previously we have calculated, that is 8. So 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Fourth stage 7 vertex has the value 9. Similarly, we have to calculate 8th vertex. 5 to 8. What is the cast 5 to 8? 2. So 2 you have to write. 2. This 2 you have to write here. And backward cast of 3 comma 5. Previously we have calculated 3 comma 5 is how much? 7. See, in this example, I have used 2 values. Why? Do you have any idea regarding this? Okay. See here. What is the vertex name? Vertex name is 8. Okay. 8 has how many in degrees? 2 in degrees. So that's why I am written here. First one is from 5. Another one is 6. This 5 is in degree. This one is in degree and 6 is also in degree. Vertex 8 has 2 in degrees from vertex 5 and from vertex 6. Okay. Now cast of 5 to 8. How much? 2. So 2. Backward cast 3 comma 5. L value is 5 and 4 minus 1 3. So I think there is no doubt in this equation. Now similarly, vertex 8 in degree of another vertex is 6 plus backward cast 3 comma 6. So 8 to 6 6 to 8 is how much? 2 and 10. Backward, and previously we have calculated 3 comma 6. So answer is 10. Now 7 plus 2 9, 10 plus 2 12. So choose the among these values minimum value, that is 9. At 4 stage 8 vertex value is how much? 9. Okay. Now calculate this stage 5. Cast stage number 5. Vertex name is 9. Okay, 9. Minimum C of j comma L plus backward cast I minus 1 L. Now 9, j's value is 9 and in degree of L value, in degree of 9. In degree of 9 is how many in degrees? Only 1. So 7 you have to write here. And backward cast 4 comma 7. Previously I calculated 4 comma 7 is how much? 9. Now 9 comma 8. What is this 9 comma 8? How it came? See here, vertex 9 has how many in degrees? Vertex 9 has 2 in degrees from 7 and 8. So we have to write 7 and 8. We need to calculate both the answers. Okay, among we have to choose minimum answer. That is our aim. 7 to 9. What is the cast? 7 to 9, 7. And backward cast 4 comma 7 is 9. And 8 to 9. 8 to 9 is how much? 3. So 3 we have to write. Backward cast of 4 comma 8 is 9. 7 plus 9, 16. 9 plus 3 is 12. So choose this. Choose these values in minimum. So minimum value is how much? 12. Fifth stage, ninth vertex, minimum value is 12. This is your final answer. Okay. Final answer. Now next job is we have to draw the path, minimum path. Okay, see here how to write that minimum path. Now write down the first minimum cast in particular vertex. So stage number 5, vertex name is what? 9. Stage number 4, vertex name is 8. At stage number 3, vertex name is 5, 2 and 3 and 1, 1. So write down like this: 9 to 8, 9 to 8, 8 to 5, 5 to 3 and 3 to 1. So in this direction you have to write and see the figure. Final here 1 2 3, 1 2 3 we have to write to draw original path. We have to write in this fashion: 1 2 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 9. What is the cast? See here main graph. This is a given graph. We have calculated shortest path: 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 9. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So answer is what? 12. Okay. Answer is 12. This is our minimum path. Okay. I hope these two approaches are clear. If you have any doubts, pause the video, write down each and every step in your notebook and try to understand these steps. That's it. Okay. Thank you.